Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Mercedes Me app not working. So guys, the first solution is go to your Google Play Store and just search for Mercedes application. And then from here, just make sure you have the latest version of the app. And from here, when they have an update, you should be able to see it over here. And just make sure you have the latest version of the app. The second solution, guys, if this doesn't work, is go to the settings. And after you go to the settings, go to the apps. And then from here, just find Me Mercedes. And as you can see, just tap on it. And then after that, go to the storage. And then from here, guys, clear the cache and also clear data. And this should be able to fix the issue. And guys, if this doesn't work, the third option or solution is uninstall the application and install it again. So guys, when you reinstall it, you should be able to fix the Mercedes application. And from there, you'll be able to use it, and there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!